I'm gonna show you what you can do to avoid my level of frustration that I had recently. And these simple tools here took away my frustration. You got a twist socket set that's $25 off Amazon. Breaker bar was about 30 from O'Reilly's. This was the little bastard that caused me to have a stroke. Short story, my valve stem recently went out, or was going out, and was leaking air in the tire pretty bad. Came out one morning, the tire was low to the ground, was flat, and I said, ooh, I need to take it off. So I took my 4-way down there, broke loose all the lug nuts, except for this little bastard. And it said, I'm finna go left, and or I'm finna go right, let the other ones go left. So the cap broke off. It looked like it had some rust building up under it, but the cap broke off, or shredded off, or whatever, and I was stuck. The car was stuck sitting for about a good week and a half. So what got it off are my little buddies right here, particularly this one. Got the little grooves in there, and you can see why the lug nut had those teeth marks on them is because of this thing. It is amazing, and for the money that you pay, it's worth having this in your toolbox. And I know everybody should have a breaker bar. I didn't, sadly, and but I went and got one, and the impact wrench did not work because it was on just that tight. And but it came off. The tire is in the back of the truck, ready to go back on the car, and we're gonna have a good day. So you guys stay safe, stay blessed, avoid being frustrated, have the right tools the first fucking time. Peace.